Now, as per the discussion and decisions held today, Sewage Corporation has to construct 22 chambers. They have promised to complete 11 chambers by 30th April. Chambers means manholes, mostly on Akem Road, and remaining 11 chambers by 25th May. Then only 2 chambers will remain on the HDFC2 microwave tower, which they will complete subsequently because that doesn't affect the main road also. Side by side, JICA, they have around 9 chambers remaining in Margao city, out of which they have promised me to complete all the 9 chambers, 9 manholes before 20th of May. Last date they have given is 20th of May. So by 30th of May, the entire sewerage work in the city of Margao will be completed as far as laying of lines and manholes are concerned. Examining a proposal of giving compulsory connection to each and every house in the city of Margao, those who have water connections, and then bill them the cost of connecting the line through water supply bill. This proposal they have already forwarded to the government. Probably, that means whether you apply or don't apply, the moment you have a water supply bill, your house or your flat or your building shall be connected to the sewerage line. They will get the data, and then each house, each this will be billed. Supposing that 3,000 rupees for a flat, that will be billed in your water supply bill.